Hi, this is Kelly from Bachelor Technology, mainly responsible for mcpcb. This is 1L sinkpad copper core PCB. The thickness is 3 mm, with copper thickness 2 ounce. There are all the LED parts made by sinkpad, so the heat can be dissipated to copper base directly and better. Absolutely, this board was used for LED product. Here you can see the LED pads are close to each other, and at least 200 LEDs on the board. It's not easy to make such pads on the small board, but for us it's no problem. We did many mcpcb for LED lighting. Everything will be controlled by us. Meanwhile, another special point is the surface treatment. Immersion go for the top layer and the nickel plating at bottom, which can help the copper base won't be oxidized and enhance its operation performance. Furthermore, we can provide a one-stop solution from designer, manufacturer, BOM purchase to SMT assembly with the faster delivery.